What is up, guys? Got another video for you guys today. So today we're gonna be attempting, I don't know if you guys can see that little dent right there, right here. Yeah, you guys can definitely see that. All right, so we're gonna try to remove this with some glue sticks. I seen this video on YouTube or on Facebook, you know, those life hack videos where they melt the glue and they pull it out. I mean, those other guys too, the people who do the paintless dent repair, I've also seen them use this, but they have some other tools that work better than this. But this is what I have. This is what I'm going to be working with. So I went to Walmart and I got some Gorilla Glue sticks. You know, it'll run you about like $5. So we're going to try to remove this dent right here, and we got another dent on the hood right here. You can barely tell. It's a little small one right here, but we're going to go ahead and try to remove this one and the one over there. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, I got all 30 glue sticks right where the dent is at. I used up the whole bag. So now we're just gonna pull them out, and hopefully some of the dent goes away and gets pulled out with the glue sticks. This works, so we'll start with this side. That shit did not fucking work. Okay. All right, guys, so the first attempt didn't really do anything, or at least I can't tell if it did anything or not. We're gonna go ahead and try it 2 more times just to make sure if it works or not. All right, guys, so I was gonna do it again, but if you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like little chips in the paint that came off from the glue. So the glue actually ripped out paint. On my car, the paint is not too good, so I don't really care. But if you guys have like a nicer car and like, you know, better paint, I wouldn't recommend you guys try this because it will damage your paint. But this car's gonna get repainted sometime in the future, so this doesn't matter to me. So I'm gonna take off the door panel from the inside and try to push the dent out from the inside. All right, guys, so I don't know if I showed you guys in my previous video, the one where I showed you guys how to replace the window regulator. If I didn't show you guys how to remove the door panel, there's a Phillips screw head right there that you gotta remove right there. There's one here, mine's missing it, but where is it? It's right there. It's supposed to be there, and then there's one more right here. I'm missing this one as well. So the only thing holding my door panel is the clips around, and then the Phillips screw head right here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this one. This one just slides out. Just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove this one. All right, one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. You gotta remove the door handle as well, or the crank, the window crank. And an easy way to do that is if you get a microfiber cloth and just put it in behind right here and just pull, and it'll come right off. Oh shit, I fucking broke it. All right, guys, so don't do what I just did. I yanked on it too hard, so I wouldn't try to do what I just did. The best way to try and take it off without breaking it is there's a little safety pin that holds the window crank, this right here. So just try to get 2 flat heads and try to pull them out and pull this out first, because if not, you're gonna end up with a broken window crank. Luckily, I have a replacement, so no biggie. So now we're gonna go ahead and start pulling this from the corners and slowly pry it out. All right, so now that we got the door panel out, we're gonna try and push the dent out from the inside. All right, guys, so I tried to push it out, but it was way too hard. And then I tried to get an extension and just hammer it out. But I put a microfiber cloth to, you know, avoid serious damage. But it's still, two little tiny dents came out from the inside from when I was hammering it. So I'm gonna leave that alone for now. And I'll make another video in the future on how to use the body filler to, you know, get rid of this dent. I'm gonna try and do the glue stick technique on the front, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna end up using the Bondo technique as well before I get the car painted though. So I'm gonna have to live with this dent for a while, but for now, you know, I'll show you guys the hood, see how that turns out. And yeah, all right guys, so I already got the glue sticks on the little dent here, and this is gonna be our last attempt at the glue stick method. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out, and hopefully the dent comes out at least just a little bit. That's what I'm hoping for, but we'll find out. All right, so I honestly can't tell if it worked or not. I kind of want to say yes. We're gonna try this one more time. I feel like it did, but I think I'm just seeing stuff. So we're gonna try this again one more time and, you know, see if it gets better. All right guys, so we're gonna try this one more time. All right guys, so I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if it's just me, but I kind of feel like it is working. So we're gonna try this about 2 more times and, you know, see where it goes from there. I did take a before picture, so once we're all done with the 2 more tries, we're gonna compare the before and after pictures and see if we made any progress with this dent or not. All right guys, so I think this is the 3rd attempt now. All right guys, so I honestly do think it's working. The dent did get a lot smaller, so we're gonna hopefully finish the dent off with this last attempt, and I'll show you guys the before and after picture. So hopefully it did work, you know. But keep in mind guys that this does damage your paint. I mean, my paint's already pretty messed up, you know, so I don't really care, but just keep that in mind if you guys are gonna try this out. All right guys, so from what I saw, most of the, well, I think all of the dent that was here came off already. There's only just a little bit more left on this side, so I just put the glue sticks on where I saw the dent. So we're gonna go ahead and try and pull this out now, and hopefully it pulls the rest of the dent out. All right, so I mean, I honestly can't even tell anymore. We're gonna try this one more time. All right guys, so I think this is gonna be our last attempt, and if it doesn't come out all the way, you know, it's okay. We can just use body filler later on, but I just wanted to show you guys, or to find out myself, if this technique actually worked or not. We already saw it didn't work on the door over there, but you know, who knows, it might work. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this out. So I'm just gonna clean this up real quick, and then I'll show you guys the before and after pictures. All right, guys, so it kind of worked. Didn't work too good, but I mean, I went ahead and I tried it 2 more times off camera, and it stayed about the same. I mean, most of it did come off, so I guess that's good. So it technically did work. It just didn't work as good as I wanted it to work, but that's okay. We're gonna use the Bondo method before I take the car to get painted. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. I have some parts coming in sometime this week. I got a hood bra and I got a C-pillar bar for the back. So I'll show you guys once I install those. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.